Guten Tag, willkommen zum Deutschkurs or welcome to the German learning course. Today we shall learn about the German case system. It may seem to be a bit troublesome for beginners to understand this, but eventually it is realized that the beauty of the German language lies in its case system itself. Wir haben vier Fälle in Deutsch. We have four cases in German. Nominativ, Akkusativ, Dativ und Genetiv. A case is used to indicate the function of a nomen, noun, or a pronomen, pronoun. That is, either doing the action or receiving the action in a sentence. Zum Beispiel, or for example, in the sentence Meine Frau hat meinen Wagen. Meine Frau hat meinen Wagen. Or my wife has my vehicle. Here, Frau is the nominative noun indicating the subject in the sentence, and Wagen is the accusative noun which indicates the direct object onto which the action is taking place. The best part is, unlike in English, we can interchange the position of both the nouns along with their respective articles in German, and the sentence still takes the same meaning. This is possible only because of the presence of the cases in German. The en in the ending of meinen Wagen still indicates it is an accusative case and is the object in the sentence, irrespective of where it is placed. Meinen Wagen hat meine Frau. Hat is the conjugation of the word haben or to have. If you're not comfortable on how to use the verb haben in a sentence, please feel free to watch my previous video. Link is in description below. Now we shall try to have a brief understanding of all the four cases. Der Nominativ or the nominative case is the base form of the noun and it indicates the subject of the sentence. The subject can either be a person or a thing that performs the action. It is also the word that tells you how to conjugate the verb. The question for der Nominativfall are wer, who, wer, who, and was, what, was, what. Der Akkusativ or the accusative case is also known as the direct object. The direct object is the thing that is acted upon. We also use the accusative case after certain verbs and prepositions. The questions for their Akkusativfall are wen, who or whom, wen, who or whom, and was, what, was, what. Their dative or the dative case is also known as the indirect object. The indirect object is the noun that receives something. It generally indicates to whom or for whom something is being done. Der Dativfall is also used after certain verbs and prepositions. The question for der Dativfall is wem, to whom, wem, to whom, or was, what, was, what. Der Genetiv or the genitive case shows belonging or possession. The genitive is also used after certain verbs, prepositions, and adjectives. The question for der Genitivfall is wessen, whose, wessen, whose. Today we shall learn about the nominative case in detail, and the other cases will be discussed in the following videos. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet and stay connected. Der Nominativ. Der Nominativ. We have just seen that the nominative noun indicates the subject in a sentence. Meine Schwester ist schön. Meine Schwester ist schön. Here ist is the verb answering the question where, or who in the sentence. Who is beautiful? Meine Schwester is beautiful. Therefore, here the noun which answers the question who is supposed to be their nominative nomen. In nominative, the verb describes the noun in terms of name, age, quality, profession, etc. Their nominative is also used after these verbs: heißen, to be called or to mean something; heißen, to be called; sein, to be; sein, to be; werden, to become; werden, to become; bleiben, to stay; bleiben, to stay; usave. Usave or und so weiter is an expression similar to etc. in English. Der Kaffee ist kalt. Der Kaffee ist kalt. The coffee is cold. Who or what is cold? The answer is der Kaffee. So it is the nominative noun. Now in the sentence, ich trinke keinen Kaffee. Ich trinke keinen Kaffee. I don't drink coffee. Keinen is used for negating nouns in a sentence. We shall learn more about the articles in the next video. Ich trinke keinen Kaffee. Who doesn't drink coffee? The word that answers this question is supposed to be nominative nomen, or the nominative noun. Unlike in previous sentence, here the coffee has become an object in the sentence since the action of drinking is acted upon it. Hence it is the accusative noun, and ich is the subject here. Like I said earlier, nominative is also used after certain verbs. Ich heiße Günther. Ich heiße Günther. I am Günther, or my name is Günther. Can you guess the subject in this sentence? Both ich and Günther are the subjects here. The sentence does not have two separate subjects. Both refer to a single person or a single subject in the sentence. So here the nominative noun is representing the name of the person. Similarly, it is used to represent age, profession, quality, etc. Mia ist 22 Jahre alt. Mia ist 22 Jahre alt. Mia is 22 years old. Here, ist is the verb conjugation of sein, to be. Sein, to be, representing the age of the subject Mia. Das Auto ist schnell. Das Auto ist schnell. The car is fast. The verb is representing the quality of the subject das Auto or the car. Wunderbar, wonderful. Now I shall quickly summarize about their nominative fall. Nominative noun indicates the subject in a sentence. Nominative noun is the answer word that we get when we ask who or what did the particular action in a sentence. The verb describes the noun in terms of name, age, quality, profession, etc. Their nominative is also used for these verbs: heißen, to be called or to mean something; sein, to be; werden, to become; bleiben, to stay, usave, etc. The articles to be used with their nominative noun are der, das, die, ein, einer, kein, keiner. In possessive pronouns like mein, dein, sein, etc. will be discussed in the next video in a very deep, simple, and organized way. Also, we shall do some Übung or exercises in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and hit on the bell icon so you don't miss learning German in an easy and organized way. Meanwhile, Please feel free to ask any doubts or clarifications that you have in the comments below or drop a mail to me. Thank you for watching. Dankeschön.